All right, so this is I don't know what's going on with this. I've got decent fitment, but according to the level, it is like close. According to the measurements, it is not. I'm at the point where I think I'm just gonna eyeball it. Dash bar, if you haven't figured that part out already. I got the dash bar left. I was gonna start on the door bars and realized I still needed to do the dash bar, and I wasn't sure if it was going down here because I'd like to still be able to take the steering column out if I need to. I still can with where it's at, but I couldn't go above it unless I made my own, and I would have had to bend it so it kicked out and basically followed the contour of the car, which would be really nice. I want to say I actually did that on my truck, but the truck didn't matter because there's no factory interior to it, so I want to be able to put the dash back in, and without doing one with a bend, it would have ran right through where my gauges go, and I didn't want to do that. And according to the little rule thingy, or the instruction thingy, it can be behind or below the dash. This is still going to be behind the dash. To figure that out, I did take the dash and I cut it up. It was already cracked up, so I figured this would be a good one to go to. So I went ahead and butchered it, was able to get it in there. That side I just had to cut off, but had it in there and figured out where it needed to be. So, but I think I'm going to, instead of recording all of it, I think I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna take about 1,000 more measurements and make sure this thing's right and get this burned in. So yeah, we'll be back. Well, I'm pretty sure GoPro went dead and I had to stop and do some research on the old interweb. So instructions say, for drag racing purposes, the door bar must pass by the driver at a point between the shoulder and the elbow. The driver should be seated in the car to properly locate the door bar. Mark the point where the door bar will be located on the main hoop. Fit the door bar there first. Which, that part was already done. Alright. So, the top of my shoulders is here. And if I'm sitting in the seat with my arms at my side, which this is what I am taking this as, I hope I'm getting it right. A couple things I looked up, it showed the person actually holding onto the steering wheel. Half the pictures I found show that holding onto the steering wheel, the bar is above the elbow, and the other half it was below. I'm taking it as with it sitting in the seat where it should be. So at that point, it's where I need it to be. I've got good fitment down here. It's going to be welded to the plate on the floor and the A-pillar bar. Fitment up here is good, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and weld it in. I know I'm hesitant about it, but hopefully I'm doing the right thing. Dash bar, I still about 1 million measurements, level. Optical illusion, I guess. I look at it one way, it looks low, another way it looks high. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna get this one done. I might move on to the other side. I'm just gonna make them match because the other side's technically not gonna matter because you can't have passengers anyway, so just make them match. So yeah, till next time. It was easy. Everybody be doing it.